All right, so let's move on to today's lesson. All right, so today we are going to do some questions relating to whole numbers. Right, we are doing a revision actually. All right, so as you know that whole numbers is a very huge topic. All right, especially in primary 3, primary 4. All right, you'll be seeing that in primary 5 and primary 6 also. All right, it's no escape, man, no escape. All right, so we are doing a revision right now. All right, and slowly to get you better and to see whether places that you make your careless mistake can be totally erased away in future. All right. So those who have attempted your worksheet, thank you. So I saw that Anna DT, she had actually tried 4 times. She did 4 times the worksheet. Good job, huh? All right, and she persevered. All right, so the first time she did, she got a couple of mistakes. Then slowly, right, she did all the questions again, and the last time, right, she got 10 correct. And the last question, I think she didn't manage to do it. I don't know why. All right, but never mind. But the attitude is correct. You keep trying to get all correct. That is the way to do it. Can? Nicole, there's about 11 questions to do today. All right, on the worksheet, but there's extra questions, definitely. There will be some extra questions. All right, later, if got time, we'll do a bit of Kahoot also. All right, don't worry about that. Yes, wow, you look at Anaditi smile. She's so happy. All right, so moving forward. All right, moving forward. Abil, are you okay? All right, I think he left for a moment. Okay, the very first question, right? The very first question that we are going to do today is this question here. All right, this is an extra question, children. This is an extra question. Can all of you try it? All right, and if you get an answer, right? If you get an answer, can you please key into the chat the answer? All right, just tell me A, B, C, D. All right, go to the chat and key in the answer. Very popular question. Take out a piece of paper. All right, some pencil or exercise book will be even better, and try to attempt this question. All right, very common question. Ariano, thank you for your answer. Nico, good job. Your answer is correct. Ariano, maybe you want to try again. Hanuska, we are trying to do one of the question in class. This is like an extra question. Abil, you got it right. Ariano, you got it right again. Very good. Enough, no. Try again, please. All right. Nico, don't guess. All right. You know how to do one.
Can I write the working in the chat?
You can do the working in the chat. Yes, no problem. All right, but I just want to see the final answer if you got it right, if you're along the right direction. Hanuska, welcome back. All right, now we are doing an extra question. Can you please try to tell me the answer in the chat, please? Anav, can you try again? All right, so most of you got it right. Very good. Xander, yes, thank you so much. Excellent. Wow. Abil, yes. Yes, Abil, yes, your working is correct. All right, so which is the answer? You must tell me lah.
I already told you before.
You told me already. Sorry, let me see. Yeah, you told me, and you showed me the working even. Okay, very good. So a majority of you got it right already. Very good. So answer is a C. All right, answer is a C. Hey, why is it a C? Children. I told you before, right? When you see the word hundreds, right? Hundreds, all right, it actually represents 2 zeros. So just write in the 2 zeros. When you see the word tens, right, it represents 1 0. Can you see that? All right. So now what you do? When they say 72 hundreds, right, this 72, just bring it down. Can you see? So it's actually 72 with the 2 0. 34 tens, right, just put the 34 down here. Can you see? And the 17 ones is just a 17. And you're supposed to combine all this together. So this is what Abil told me. All right, Abil tells me to do this addition together. So all you have to do is to exchange all the English wording for a math number. And you just got to add them up together. And your answer should be this. 7557. All right, not difficult, children. It's not difficult. Answer is C. All right, many of you got it. Thank you so much. All right, so this is an extra question. And I tell you this, children. This type of question sure come out for your final exam. It's very, very common. So you need to know how to do. All right. Don't just say forget everything. All right. I know. I'm very scared. I'm very scared that you forget. You can forget your marks. All right. But please do not forget the things that we have learned. Can? All right. Very important to remember all these little things. Okay, good. All right. So this is the extra question. Let's talk about question 1. Question 1 is found in the worksheet. All right. A couple of the students never do. Maybe let me give them a chance to do. Agnav, would you like to attempt this question for me? Can you please annotate? Can you try to annotate this? Very easy. All right. So Agnav can annotate only. Only Agnav can annotate. All right. Can you please try to annotate? Let me write out for you. Let me write out for you. Then you can actually do the annotation. All right. Can you please continue with my working, please, Agnav? All right. Do it. Let me draw in the lines for you. Yeah. Right, only Agnav can annotate. Oh yes, Xander, smart. All right, so Xander saw the keyword. He said product equals multiplying. Correct, smart boy. All right, so again, all these keywords helps. All right, when you see the word product, it means multiply. Very good. Thank you, Xander. All right, so this is Agnav annotating and looking at the working. It looks perfect. Correct. Ooh. How can you do a 7 down there first? You put a 0 down here first. Yeah, you scare me. Ayo, frightening. Put a 0 first. Okay. Oh, this is a plus. I thought this is a 7. Oh, you frightened me. Right, Agnav, continue. You're right. Put a 0 there. Then after that, 1 times 6 is sorry, Ariano. Your answer is a C, is it? Can you please check again? Is it a C? Is it a C? I don't think it's a C. Yeah, Ariano. Yeah, answer is B. Correct. Yeah. Nicole, are we going to take notes later? What do you mean? I mean, all these notes you can take down immediately. Yeah, you can do it if you have the worksheet. Agnav, do you need my help? You put a 0 already. Okay, 1 times 6 is 6. Good. 1 times 4. And 1 times 3. Beautiful. Okay, then now you add it. Correct. Good job. Please go and add it. All right, it's 2. 9. Oh, no, not 9, not 9. Hey, 9 plus 6. I already know. 9 plus 6. Not 9. Your handwriting, Erase away the 0 and 9, please. 9 plus 6 is a what? Down here. Hello? Be careful. Yes, Xander, I saw your answer is correct. Yes, Anadita, yes, I saw your answer. Your answer is correct also. Sorry, I read something your name too fast. All right, thank you so much. And the ultimate answer is 4092. No. So Agnav, just now I told you that down here is a 6. All right. So when you correct it, right, it's actually a 6. Then when you erase away, then you write, right, you think it's a 0. It's not a 0, it's a 6. So it's a carelessness. So children, can you see or not? Sometimes things happen like this also. So when you're doing it, what happened? Your handwriting, your 6 and your 0 is what? It's not clear. All right. Once your 6 and your 0 is not clear, what will happen? You will make the careless mistake. Can you see or not? So children, all right, these are problems that you are facing also. I know that you are facing such problems also. All right. So can you please write properly? Write properly. All right, please. So Agnav, be careful. Down here is a 12. Down here is a 9. Down here is a 6. You are right. Then after that, you put a plus and you put a 0. Thank you. 1 times 6, put the 6 properly like this. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, but cannot blame him because he's using a mouse to write. So when he uses a mouse to write, it's not easy to control. All right. But again, hopefully in the exam, right, you don't make such silly mistake, because it's going to cost you marks. So answer is 4152. Answer is B. All right. All of you got it right. Thank you so much. All right. Question 1 done. All right. Now let's go on to question 2 in the worksheet. Question 2 in the worksheet, maybe you can get Hanuska to help us. Hanuska, are you ready? All right. Not difficult. Trust me. Which one of the following number is not a factor of 72. Not a factor of 72. All right. So let me turn on the annotation for you to annotate. All right. Only Hanuska can annotate. Please give her a chance. All right. All right. But you can choose not to annotate also. You can go to the chat and type. All right. Whatever works for you. All right. If you don't want to show your handwriting, your beautiful handwriting is okay. All right. You can go to the chat and type. Then I can actually look at it. All right. So which of the following number is not a factor of 72? The rest you can try. Yes, Xander, you got it right. Good job. All right, Xander, you got it right already. Wow. And Xander never attempt his worksheet. And this is his first time doing. And he's getting, correct. Good job. Nico, can you please stop guessing? All right, Nico, can you please stop guessing? You're guessing, I feel. Okay, very good. So Hanuska, your answer is correct. A is correct. All right, A is correct. Okay, but do you want to explain why? Do you want to explain to class why is A? Okay, now she's doing it. Okay, let me just remind the rest of the class. What's the meaning of factors? All right, so factors means what? What makes 72? That's the question here. What makes 72? And she's doing exactly what I would have done. 7 times 9 is not 72. Don't bluff me, please. Anuska, 7 times 9 is not 72. Don't bluff me. Yes, Abil, answer is A. You're right. Thank you so much. Anandita also, answer is A. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, so maybe you can help me, Anuska. Can you help me fill in the blanks, please? Anuska, help me fill in the blank. All right, so 72 is equal to what? 1 times what? Can you please help me fill in the blanks here? 2 times. Help me fill in the blanks, Ken? Oh, okay, good. Continue. All right, can you see not? 72 got so many factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 factors. So irritating, my goodness. Yes, so Anuska, fill up the first one already. Okay, what is this one? What is this one? What times 24 is 72? What do you think? Right, it's actually quite easy because the clues are there. Xander, you're right, yes. All right, so Xander actually helped. So let me just help you, Anuska. 4 times 24, is it? Is it 4 times 24? Xander, is it 4 times 24? No lah, 4 times 24 is like 90 something 96. Xander, I thought you are correct. You bluffed me. Try again. So what times 24 is 72? Yeah, 3 times 24. Thank you so much. All right, I'm copying your answer, so you can see another yellow at the back. All right, enough? Okay, yep, thanks. So 3 times 24 is 72 also. Okay, 4 times what is 72? Come on, you can do it. Hanuska, it's still you. All right, so the rest of you, can you please remember the meaning of factors means what makes that number? What makes 72? All right, so 72 itself got, as I say, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 factors. Very irritating. Okay, let me help her to fill up the last two first. The easier one. I help her do the easier one. And she still owe me this one. Can you help me, please, Anuska?